All right. So in the last video, we learned how to store um, or keep, let's see, we learned how to store our to-do array inside of local storage. So now that our data persists even through like a refresh. So we have some items here. Now I went to work, now I'm on break. So for on my break, I need to eat and I need to record to do week 2 day 5 video. All right. And uh, in order to do that, we need to implement the clear all to-dos button. Button. Okay. All right, now we have some to-dos here. Now, if I refresh prior to storing our um, array in local storage, all of that, all of those to-dos would have been cleared. It would have started fresh from the beginning. Now we're checking local storage, see if we have any information there, and then we're using that as the starting point for our array. So in today's video, we talked about adding a clear all to-dos button over here. So let's jump into that. First, we should think about all of the things that we want to do. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put all this stuff right now, but clear all to-dos button. What are some things that we need to do? Well, we need to add a button to the HTML. Okay, then when we click the clear all to-dos, we're going to have to add an event listener to the button. We need a clear all to-dos function. We need an attach an event listener to the button. Okay, if we clear all of the to-dos, we basically can just replace the empty array, but then we have to save the to-do list. And then we will need to show the to-dos. So we might want to have a handle clear all to-dos function. Handle clear all to-dos function to combine the clear all to-dos and the then clear all to-do attach an event listener to the button. What else is there? Um, you know, we need to show it. We're going to make sure that we're saving it in our data. So how do we get started? Well, let's start with this clear all to-dos button. We'll come over here and we can add a new button. ID is going to be clear all to-dos. Let's do clear all button. Let's call it the keeping consistent to-do clear button. And this will say clear to-dos. All right, so we've got that bit. We know this is done. Add the button to the HTML. We need a clear all to-dos function. We also, so we need a data function. function clear all to-dos. Like now we're just going to say console.log to-dos cleared. Clear all to-dos. So this will, what was that? Save list. Okay. Handle clear all to do. This will be clear all to do's and then show to do. Pass the to do list. Now we need to deal with the button. That's kind of in our UI. I think we've been doing that in our app. So let's let the clear to do button equals document query selector pound to do clear button. All right. Now we need to do clear to do's button. Add event listening. Click event and function. And we're going to say handle clear all to do's. And we've got to pass the to do. Okay. So now let's just check out here and see if we got the clear to do's. When we click it, I'm not seeing anything like to do cleared. So let's make sure our stuff's attached properly. So to do button, to do clear button, is that right? Got to do clear button. Oh, I actually called it button. So that's the problem. So now, when we hit clear, it says list cleared. Okay, and save. So in our clear all to do's function, we basically just need to say to do's equals an empty array. Right? Then we save the list and then our handle. We want to make sure we're doing handle clear all to do's done. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that really should be it. When we click clear all to do's, it says clear to do's. List saved. tests added to do. So it's not clearing this. So show to do. Where is our stuff? Clear all to dos. To dos equals this. Save list. We send it to dos. We set the item. We save the list. Let's see. Okay. So now I need to figure out how I can walk through this code. Maybe try running the debugger. Well, I think we have to set a breakpoint. So let's set a breakpoint when we all handle clear all to do. Local storage is not. Okay, so that didn't really work. All right, so what do we got to do? We need to research, but I got to go to work. So there's going to be a part 2 of this video where we get to the bottom of whatever's going on. We're going to find the bug, we're going to crush it, and we're going to move on. See you in part 2.